Are you thinking about buying from Chinese platforms like Taobao, Huadian, or 1688 but feeling unsure about how to do it safely? Well, that's where CNFans.com comes into the picture, a shopping and shipping agent based in China that promises to make the process smooth and hassle-free. But the real question is CNFans legit or just another scam? Let's dive into it. CNFans has been around since 2023, and on the surface, they do offer some good signs. Customer support is available. The company is relatively transparent about who they are, and many users have reported a smooth experience when everything goes right. However, it's definitely not all sunshine and rainbows. A lot of users have raised concerns about vague QC photos that don't really show the true condition of the items, slow processing times that leave you waiting much longer than expected, and frustrating return issues where getting your money back or exchanging products isn't as simple as it should be. There are also complaints about CNFans ignoring specific buyer instructions and shipping costs that end up being surprisingly high compared to other agents. Based on all the feedback and after checking everything carefully, it's clear that CNFans isn't a complete scam, but it's also not a flawless service. It falls somewhere in the middle, with potential if you're careful, but enough red flags that you should definitely proceed with caution.